Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually add a workout to Apple Fitness app. Now let's open first the Apple Fitness app. Inside you will see the workout section. Click show more to show all your workouts. But in the Fitness app, you cannot manually add a workout. Now what we are going to do is to close the Fitness app and open the Health app. Now here in the bottom part, click Browse. And into the search bar, search for workouts. Then select the data. This will show you the data inputs for all of your workouts. Now from here, we can manually add the workout data. On the top right corner, click Add Data. And add your activity type, calories you burn if you know, and your running distance. Now here in the middle part, add when you start working out and when you finish. And that is how to manually add a workout to Apple Fitness app. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.